At this point, most of you know how to draw stuff from scratch. Drawing human, animal, environment is a piece of cake for you, so I won't waste your time by teaching that. What makes an illustration memorable for a person? Why my art looks good but still feels dull? If you faced this question before, then your art might be missing a story. Let me tell you how I try to tell story through this art. Hope you might learn something from it. Before starting, can you please watch the full video and maybe click the like button? If you do, then YouTube will promote this video, and I have a high chance of hitting the 100 subscribers goal. My favorite way to start an illustration is to start with a silhouette. I mostly don't like line art because it takes a lot of time, and when you have a relatable shape to work on, it becomes easy to add details. The view angle is important. Low angle gives a superior vibe and dominance. Higher angle mostly give an innocence and sometimes a cheerful vibe, depending on the expression. I select a low angle to give this character a superiority and dominance. The quality of rendering is depend on your skill and practice. Selecting a light source and the light angle beforehand will help you a lot adding highlight. Also, don't try to be a perfectionist. If your drawing is photorealistic, then what's the purpose of it being an art? You will get the AI tag for that at max.
Some tips for you guys. You don't have to manually draw everything, which you can get by using a brush or something else, like how I use a 3D model for the gun. Yep, if you didn't figure it out already, I didn't painted this gun. It's a 3D model. Now, moving on to a bigger canvas, because background is the main storyteller. As you can see, I did redo a few times to reach a satisfied result. A night theme create all kind of tension. It raised question on the audience's mind. But not all story are told in night. Keep that in mind.
The character design I have support the modern timeline, so a cityscape is the best option. Right now, this image already telling some story, like who is she? What's she doing? Is she trying to kill someone? These are the biggest aspect of visual storytelling. Since it's not an animation, you have to leave room for the audience to think and make their own story. A cityscape-like background is perfect for a nighttime sci-fi scene, and drawing a city is easier than something like an indoor environment or natural landscape. You just have to paint some building and add some window light. The big advertisement screen are some of my favorite thing, so I used in of my own art as a showpiece. I added a hand to create the audience's perspective of view. Now the story shifted to, is she trying to kill me or helping me? And through this multiple timeline of story can be formed. Blurring the backgrounds help the audience focus on the character more. I am not saying that I can draw the best looking illustration with story. I'm still learning things, and I want to learn it with you guys. So if you think you learned something from this video, please like and subscribe. And a good news is, I finally saved up enough money to afford an average PC. I will buy that in the end of next month. So stay tuned, because the quality of my content will be better. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with some other topic.